day today. Got over here will be my new workshop. Got my supplies here, and that crew is on the way to start building that today, get that knocked out. And the pad for the house is getting laid today, and the house will be coming in Tuesday. So I got a lot going on today, so I'm gonna be doing video here and there throughout the day and see what we get done today on this episode of Big City Little Farm. Everything is in full swing. Pad is almost complete. Just a little bit left on that. And the building, they are building the floor as we speak. So everything's moving along. Hopefully everything should be done today. So then I get to paint the building and wire the building up. I bought all the electrical for the inside so I can get that wired up this weekend. Get the AC installed in it, and yeah, then I'll have my shop and able to start my projects all over again. Haven't been able to do any of those projects in a minute, so just gonna keep on watching everything get done. Building is coming together pretty quick. Not much longer and the roof will be on. All right, well, that's a wrap. Building is complete. Well, complete for what they're gonna do, not complete for what I'm gonna do. But there it is. I'll flip the camera around. So the next time it's on camera, we will have wiring everywhere, some lights. Gonna be adding a few more studs in places. This half over here is storage, and this half over here is gonna be all my work area. I have one huge light, 18,000 lumen. That'll hang up here, light up the whole building. And window unit outside, I haven't brought it in yet, but that's gonna be all installed over the next few days to complete the electrical. Once the electrical is complete, then I will move on to unloading the storage and getting my tools brought in, so that way I can get back to making holsters, because I haven't made any holsters in a minute. So that's going to complete today's video. I'll say thanks for stopping by and watching. Hit that like and subscribe, help the channel out, and I will catch you on the next video.